I'm Angelina de la Torre, and I'm here for the Radical Walking Tours of Ventura County. Today we are at the Oxnard Historic Farm Park, which is about an acre wide, and it is the home of the original winery for the Santa Clara Chapel, a library, and much more. It actually has some antique tractors and other old-fashioned farming equipment. So that's really cool. And these buildings date back to the 1870s. Some of them are a little bit newer, but they're all within that range. But regardless of age, they all have in common the importance of showing the beauty and rich history of Oxnard. But most importantly, it reflects its community. For example, you can check out the Migrant Farm Worker wall on their website. And what it is a collection of photos and information about migrant farm workers in the area. So historically, there's been a large population of migrant farm workers, but their struggles have been largely ignored and dismissed. So in order to honor them and keep that heritage alive, it's important to show these images and to tell these stories. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and visit Oxnard Historic Farm Park's website. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and check out the other Radical Walking Tours and have a great day. Bye.